Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really amazing recipe for you all, and this one is for a bread pudding times a flan. It's the best of both worlds. So let's jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how easy this one is and you all will love it. I'm starting here with 1 vanilla cream brioche bread. I got this at Aldi. You can find any type of substitute or even just use a plain brioche bread. Check your local bakeries and see what they have and just use that. But a brioche bread would be the best bread for this recipe. So I'm just going to cut it up into small cubes. And this recipe was inspired for something that I tasted at Taste of Central Florida earlier this year. I had the most amazing bread pudding, but it also tasted like a flan and I had to recreate it. Now to a bowl, we're going to add in evaporated milk. All of your ingredients, measurements will be listed in the description box. Heavy cream, not everything that I put here you have to use because it does give you the perfect consistency. This is condensed milk, a pinch of salt, in goes custard powder, milk powder, eggs, cardamom or elaichi, and this is where the spices come into play, pimento berries or allspice that's been grounded, ginger powder, and you're seeing the elements of a flan right here, pumpkin spice. And talking about flan, I do have a lovely flan recipe coming up. Fresh nutmeg goes in. I love to use fresh nutmeg, as you guys know. A few dashes of bitters, vanilla essence, fresh ginger, and some butter. Now you want to whisk everything to bring it together. Whisk, whisk, whisk. And this smells heavenly as is. Now we're going to add the cubed bread to that wet mixture. And then we'll give this a mix and make sure it's fully incorporated. Now I didn't want to over mix this for it to be really smushed up. I still wanted to see the cubes of bread. So I was very gentle when mixing. Now we're going to pour this out into a greased buttered baking pan. This is a loaf pan. This recipe makes one. If you wanted to double or triple, of course you can. And you can also make this in individual muffins. Now this goes into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, just about 1 hour. And this is what it would look like. So puffed up, smells so amazing, so delicious. I can't wait for you all to try this recipe. I promise you it will not disappoint. Try it, let me know down below what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.